Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing prenuptial agreements, and we're discussing the timing of prenuptial agreements with regard to fiancé visas. So you're dealing with a K-1 fiancé visa. You also want to do a prenup. Well, timing associated with drafting, review, and signing of the prenup is important. It is worth noting that in an American legal context, prenuptial agreements are viewed to be a little bit different than other types of contracts insofar as the marriage is actually the consideration for the contract itself. So what we're talking about with regard to this is the fact that, so you do the contract and then the consideration for the contract is the actual marriage, which upon the formalization of the marriage, everything sort of comes together. That said, drafting and review needs to happen arguably before a fiancé is going to travel to the United States, and therefore what I would call sort of perfection of the signatures, if you will, the formalities, if you will, perfection of the formalities might be the best way to put it, insofar as signature as well as notarization is going to occur in Thailand generally, and then that person is going to travel to the United States in order to get married, and upon the formalization of the marriage, that effectively locks in, if you will, the prenuptial agreement. That acts as consideration for the contract, and then once that consideration is in existence, the contract is thereby perfected. So timing is very, very important with regard to drafting, review, because independent review is also necessary with regard to prenuptial agreements so that both parties are aware of what they're signing at the time they signed it, and then signature, and then subsequent marriage. So if you're kind of overwhelmed about how that all plays together, it's probably not a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.